Hey there, new homeowners. Planning to renovate your space? Today, we're diving into the energetic world of aircon placement. Stay tuned for some eye-opening insights that could transform your home. Did you know that aircons influence more than just temperature? Let's uncover the secrets of proper aircon placement together. Northeast aircons can impact family harmony and even fertility. Let's ensure your home radiates positive vibes from every corner. Placing an aircon in the southwest might disrupt mom's well-being. Let's create a peaceful sanctuary for the queen of the house. North aircons can affect sleep quality and family planning. Let's ensure your bedroom remains a tranquil retreat. Remember, aim for east, southeast, south, west, and northwest for optimal aircon placement. Keep your home cool and your energy flowing. That's a wrap on aircon placement. Stay tuned for our next video on mirror placement mistakes. Want exclusive feng shui tips for your renovation? Comment Reno below to unlock our top 5 feng shui mistakes to avoid.